iPhone 13 expected launch date in India is 14 September 2021. It will come in 4 variants, that is iPhone Pro Max, iPhone Pro, iPhone 13 and iPhone Mini. Let's talk about its design. First, expected larger camera bump. It might have always on display feature. Second, notch could be smaller. Good news for girls, iPhone 13 might come in pink color. iPhone 13 Pro will launch its new color, that is bronze. iPhone 13 to offer LEO, low Earth orbit, satellite communications to make calls and text without cellular coverage. Wow! 120Hz display for better smooth experience. Camera to record in higher quality format called ProRes. Last but not the least, price. It is going to be same like last time, so let's wait for it.